Let me show you how you can create this kind of t-shirt design using Canva. Let's go. From your homepage, just click on Create. And here search for t-shirt. You can choose any of these suggestions because as you can see, they all have the same sizes for t-shirts, okay? And the easiest way to start or to go is if you have any idea in mind already for what kind of t-shirt you're looking for. If it is, let's say, a sport event, you just type for sport event and you will have like plenty of stuff that you can choose from and just adapt to what you need, okay? And pay attention here. There are some of these designs that are marked with a crown. They are for Canva Pro. So if you have a pro account, don't worry. If you have a free account, then you might just have to change some elements. You can choose any design and then just start and making your changes and adapt to what you need. But of course, now I'm going to show you how we can start also from zero and how we can finish a design here in Canva for a t-shirt and how we can print it with Canva, as you can see. So for the design that I'm thinking today, it's going to be for a music event, okay? And let's start from zero. I'll go to elements and I want to search for some modern gradient. I really love to use this kind of element right now. Let me take maybe this one. This is for free. Let me search for something else. Just let me test it a little bit. Oh, this is nice. Okay, this is pro, but I'm gonna use this right now. Okay, something like this. And now I'm gonna search for an element that I think will fit to this music festival. I'm looking for something like a vinyl. In graphics, I'll have a look. Well, this is exactly what I was thinking of, okay? So then you can figure out the size you want, and now let's add some text to it. Let's see, let's make it bigger. And now I'm just going to type music festival. You can put any name like Music Festival New York or the name of the music festival. I'm just going to reduce the line space a bit. I don't want this font. I'll search for something else. Let me see. I need something bold. This one. And yeah, let me see the color. I'm gonna use one color that I already have here in the design. Let me just type it in -65 and 0.8. That's good. Okay, now I can make it bigger. Let me see, I'm gonna put this like here, and I'm gonna add some extra information about the event. Let's say this is like for someone who's organizing the event and wants to promote the event or wants to sell these kind of t-shirts there. So let's see, now I'm gonna search for a different font. I'll go for Montserrat. Let's make this a bit bigger. Let's make it bolder. Let's also change the color. Now I cannot really see it. First of all, let me add here some letter space. Now I want it to be very well spaced. Let me see if this is going to work with white. Yes. Yeah, okay, this is looking better now. And here I'm just going to put any date that the festival would happen to be. And now I'm just copy and paste. And I'm gonna put the name of the city. For instance, just like this. I think I would like to reduce a little bit the brightness of this. Then you have it. You see, you can start from zero or you can select any existing design and work from there. You want now to print this with Canva. You can click here and then you will already have like a way of seeing like this mock-up to see how it looks like and in which color you would like to have it. So you cannot choose from all of the colors, but you have like these basic ones if you want to print it with Canva. And you can even make like front and back. If you don't want any in the back, you can leave it like that. If you want to have something on the back, you just duplicate in the design for the purpose of this tutorial, but you can make something totally different here, like adding names of people who are going to be singing on the festival, you know, that's really up to you. And then here you just have to select, and then you can have a look and see how it looks from the front and back. And if that's okay for you, then you just add the t-shirt, how many you want. As you see, the more, the cheaper it will be. And then you just continue and you make the payment and Canva will have it shipped for you. So this is actually very practical. I see many people making some passive income just by doing this design in Canva. And then they share this as a PDF or a PNG actually. Okay, and then they use a print-on-demand website and sell that on Etsy. That's also a way that you can go. I've never done this, so I cannot recommend or tell you how you can do this using Etsy and a print-on-demand shop. But if you want to start like designing in Canva, that's the easiest way to go, and you can be very creative. Or if your creativity is not the best at that moment, you can get inspired by existing designs. They're really good and you can make your changes to them. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like it, just give me a like or a comment below so I know that I can keep on producing these kinds of videos for you.